Okay, started. No, actually, we will discuss the question answer of the Banda block, and then we will go through. There is a poem at the last of that chapter. The poem's title is Snake Train. So you have discussed, justified the title of this story. The story is the Banda Club, and you have gone through the detailed explanation of the text. Now come to the question answer we do. Given in the box, please everyone see at your book. It's a page number 119. Given in the box are some headings. Find the relevant paragraphs in the text to match the headings. Like an orphaned club, Bruno's food, chart, an accident, case of poisoning, and playful Baba, pain of separation. If you go through the pain of separation, the memory of Arthur's wife as well as the situation of Baba in Jew, this comes in mind. Pain of separation, joy of reunion. Joy of reunion, when author again took Baba from Jew, he kept him there in his home. That incident, that paragraph, a request to the Jew, an island in the courtyard. Island they made in the courtyard. This was there. So these are the things that you have to only mention the paragraphs. Answer the following questions. I got him for by, her for by accident. Who? The question is who says this? Author says this. Whom? Who do him and her refer to? Him refers author and her refers author. What is the incident referred to here? What was the incident, Deepika? What was the incident that the author is mentioning in the question? Neha, stand up. This incident is incident.
The incident refers to the catching of baby deer.
Catching a baby deer, sudden incident. Abhishek, what is the incident he is talking about? Sabaji, what do you mean by this? Roshan, Satyam,
Sir, the incident referred to where narrator brought a slot beer from
sugarcane, yes.
Sir, the incident referred to when author and his friend were passing the sugarcane and they had found a sloth bear that was sitting on his mother's lap.
The question answer you have to give in one line and you are adding more and more lines. Only the incident that getting the beer from the sugarcane field. Incident was there. Sit down, everyone. He stood on his head in delight. Where is this line is?
Sir,
At the question, now question, look at the question. Who does he refers to? Why was he delighted?
दादा
sir, he refers to Bruno.
Bruno or Baba. And what was he delighted? Why was he delighted? Please stand up and tell.
Yes.
He reunited with author's wife. Are they made? And then Baba delighted. No? Okay. Sit down. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense we were relieved. We all missed him greatly, but in the sense we were relieved. First is who does we all stand for? Anjali. Who does this stand for? Authors. Do you hear her? Speak loudly. Oh, why are you looking there? If I whenever I ask somebody, just look at her. Author is no friends. The family of author is surrounding also. Surrounding because friends were not there. Surrounding में जितने भी बच्चे थे, you can stay there. Sit down. Who did they miss? Why did they nevertheless feel relief? Why did they?
Sir, because Bruno became big and he was constantly facing a problem for the family.
Anywhere in the text it is mentioned that he was creating the problem.
No,
Yes, Muskan, you have heard this story yesterday. Again, question. The question is, why did they nevertheless feel relief? What is the meaning of this question? Yes.
Kara doesn't
Nevertheless feel relief. What do we mean by that? What is the meaning of this question? Chutkara, nevertheless. Relief means chutkara, nevertheless means? Actually the question is कि पहला चीज कि हम लोग फ्री थे लेकिन छुटकारा पा गए, लेकिन दूसरा चीज हम लोग उसको मिस कर रहे थे और उससे छुटकारा पा गए, लेकिन रियल सेंस में हम लोग उससे छुटकारा नहीं पाते. क्यों नहीं? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन.
Because the author and author's wife has taken Baba away from that.
No, actually I think that the memory of Baba and the memory of Baba was hunting them again and again, and because of that the author's wife could not have the meal for 3-4 days. Even the same situation was with the author also. तो they relieved, छुटकारा तो पा लिए कि Baba is not here, but mentally they could not relieve. Physically, Baba was not there, but mentally Baba always remained, always was there in their mind. तो हम छुटकारा पाते हुए भी छुटकारा नहीं पाए. This is the sense. Answer the following questions in 30 to 40 words each. 1-2 occasion, Raj Nandini. On 2 occasions, Bruno drank something that should not be eaten. Drunk. What happened to him on these occasions? Now this is the question, and that you have to reply in 30 or 40 words. Jyoti. Everyone be ready. Anyone can go my arrow of asking question. What are two incidents? Two incidents that has been narrated in the story. And what happened then? Jyoti, you have understood yesterday's story or not? तो उसमें जब पंचायत हो रही थी, मतलब I was telling about the story, I was describing the story. What were two incidents that author has mentioned, and what happened at that occasion to Bruno? This is the question. Shubham? Yes. The question, now look at the question. Question is, on 2 occasions Bruno ate / drank something that should not be eaten, drunk. 2 ऐसे अवसर थे जिस पर ब्रूनो ने कुछ खा लिया, कुछ पी लिया, जिसको इसे न तो खाना चाहिए और न तो पीना चाहिए. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. उसके बाद क्या पूछा गया है? What happened to him on these occasions? इन दोनों अवसरों पर उसको क्या हुआ?
For these he drank poison.
Yes. Abhishek, you want to? I know that you find out the answer. No, no. Stand up. Why? Raji. Ansika. Why are you looking at the book? Just explain it in your own words. Neha. Yasvi. Okay. It's a gallon oil, na? Yes, it's a gallon oil. Actually, I was describing this story in that way, and that's why she said like this. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Yes, Tejas, please stand up. What you are asking the question, you are telling her. Telling. Please tell me also. Who will tell? Deepika? Yes, Ranjan, please tell.
First mistake, Bruno is
द ब्रूनो नहीं, नाम के पहले कभी भी द मत लगाइए। नाम जो होता है दैट इज प्रॉपर नाउन, और प्रॉपर नाउन के पहले कभी भी द का प्रयोग नहीं होता है। ब्रूनो, यस। In the second incident, nothing has happened. He drank the gallons of diesel that was taken from the, जब सर्विसिंग होता है ना तो वहाँ से जो मोबिल निकलता है वो जला हुआ। ओके सिडम, यस मुस्तान, यू वांट टू टेल? द ब्रूनो फिर बोल रहे हैं। यस, पैरालिसिस। यस, okay, Sidam. In the first incident, he ate the poison that was kept in the library. The author has kept the poison, that is barium carbonate, to kill the mouse. Many rats, they were disturbing. And what happened? The result, he got Bruno got paralysis. He could not stand on his feet. And what happened? Author called a doctor. They injected 2 times to him, and after 30 minutes, Bruno became fine. In this first incident. In second incident, Bruno swallowed or drank the engine oil, but it has no effect on them. This is. The next question is, please don't move your feet. Anus. Don't. Was Bruno a loving and playful pet? Why did he have to be sent away? First question, was Bruno a playful pet? If yes, why then he was sent away? Question is कि क्या Bruno एक playful in the sense साथ साथ खेलने वाला एक पेट था, एनिमल था? अगर ऐसा था तो उसको जू क्यों भेजा? Yes, he was. He was. Actually, when Bruno grows up, the size of Bruno body becomes very large, and author's friends, some friends suggest him that you should not keep such a wild animal to your home. You should keep Bruno to the zoo, and that's why Bruno was sent to the zoo. This was the यही था ना? अंजलि यही था ना?
Yes.
Okay, so these are the questions there. And third is, how was the problem of what to do with Bruno finally solved? The author has kept the story open-ended. How the problem of Bruno to keep was solved. One incident you can narrate that the author made an island in his own courtyard. And second, if you go through the story at the last, you find out that the author said that the animals they don't have the the sensuality if a man loves them so much. कितना वो आदमी उसको स्नेह कर ले, घर में रख ले, but animal is animal. So is because of this statement of author you can have the idea what could happen. क्या हुआ होगा? Either they have already they again sent it to the zoo, otherwise they had left it to the jungle. There are two incidents because they could not keep Bruno again in their own. So might be this problem will solve like this. After that there is a fill in the blanks. Height, mischief, ingredients. IER से भरना है. You have to do it. It's your own work. And then there is a word. What is an adverb now? What is an adverb? What is an adverb? Adverb? You are telling truth. Speak loudly. Yes, Subham.
Adverb is a word that modifies the verb.
Modify verb. Only verb. It's a sometimes it also describe and modifies adjective itself, and sometimes noun or subject also. Like wicked. Wicked is a quality. Wicked why? Wicked why? It is describing the noun. So noun is the sit down. Noun is a word which describe basically verb.
Noun.
Adverb is a word which describe verb, adverb, and adjective, sometimes noun also. How many types of adverb are there? Approximately how many types of adverb are there? तो वर्ग डाल दे grammatical things. Red house. Count in name. Yes, adverb time. Adverb of time. Please give an example. John Ispa. He played या played? Plays. He plays at 6. What is adverb? Adverb of time always modify the time. Okay, will you please anyone tell me what is an adverb of? Adverb of नहीं frequency. Adverb of frequency. Jyoti बताओ. Adverb of frequency. Produce an example. Frequency. Anyone? Yes, Sandeep. Sorry, Rosan. Fastly. Frequency. Okay. Suppose that if I say Danadan also is adverb of frequency. So please don't forget the grammatical thing if you are going through the literature. Okay, come to the next poem, that is now with the grammar कल से पढ़ा देते हैं. Just complete it, only 2 chapters are left, and then with grammar revision. The snake trying. There is a poem, The Snake Trying. everyone belongs to village, na? Right now, the cutting of the corn, the paddy is running. तो नहर में थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी होगा, होगा ना? और नहर हो गया, गड्ढा हो गया, और उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा पानी पाए जाने वाले जो जंतु होंगे वो टेढ़ा होगा. It's a kind of snake that doesn't harm. अगर यहाँ आ जाएगा तो तुम लोग कर सकते हो. But we had played. तो how many of you have played that kind of snakes? टेढ़ा. मतलब वही मार पीट, मारना, दौड़ाना. How? Don't feel shame. I have done it. अच्छा, you have done it. Okay. Have you seen? Killed also? That is pathetic creatures. Okay. So now look at here. There is a perception, traditional perception. There is a perception that the animals, especially the snake, is very dangerous animal. It is a perception. अगर हम इसको कहें कि अगर हम गड्ढा में देख लेते हैं तब भी डर जाते हैं, और ये बड़ा वाला है जिसके सिर पर ये हो, सिंबल ऑफ महादेव, तब भी डर जाते हैं. But because why this happens? This happens because जो हम लोग को बताया गया है कि जो जानवर में स्पेशली जो सर्प होता है, they are very dangerous. They are poisonous also. And that's why we are scared. ये scaring. लेकिन आपने देखा होगा, and you have done it also. I did it. You have done also. You suppose that you have seen a snake, any kind of snake, and you follow that snake to kill him. You chase him to kill that snake. How many of you have done? Yes. So in that sense, what the snake does? The snake, they tries to run away very fast, and they tries to seek themselves to hide themselves. They find out the bushes, वो झाड़ी हो जाएगी, कहीं कोई सामान रखा उसमें घुस जाएंगे. They always seek for safety. This poem is based on this concept. In this poem, the snake is trying to escape itself from the, from the stick of a human. एक आदमी है, एक बच्चा है, और सर्प को देखता है, और सर्प को देखने के बाद उसको ले करके स्टिक दौड़ा लेता है मारने के लिए. But what happens there? This snake is trying to hide himself. बहुत तेज भागता है और अपने आप को किसी झाड़ी में, किसी ऐसे जगह छुपाने का प्रयास करता है जहाँ इनका डंडा न बच पाए. इनका डंडा न बच पाए. This poem is only this concept. कि ये जो ट्रेडिशनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि स्नैक्स दे आर वेरी डेंजरस, दे एनिमल्स दे आर वेरी डेंजरस, लेट अस डीकंस्ट्रक्ट इट. ये जो आइडिया हमको दिया गया है, इसको हम लोग क्या करें, इसका खंडन करें. आपने भी देखा होगा कि यू हैव सीन दैट देयर आर मेनी इंसिडेंट्स वेयर दिस कंसेप्ट हैज बीन डिनाइड. हर जगह ये नहीं होता है. मोस्टली हम देखते हैं, या आप भी देखे होंगे कि चाहे वो स्नैक हो चाहे कोई भी जानवर, उनका पहला क्वालिटी होता है कि ह्यूमन बीइंग से मुलाकात ना. क्यों? क्योंकि ऑन द अर्थ द मोस्ट डेंजरस एनिमल इज man, human beings. In class 11 there is a story, I just give the reference of that. In Chandigarh or somewhere there is a place And in China, because the story writer has given different kinds of differences. तो एक जू है और एक जू में दुनिया के सबसे मतलब all the animals they are in that जू. और एक जगह लिखा हुआ है most dangerous animal. उसी जू में एक जो सेक्शन बना हुआ है उसमें लिखा हुआ है द मोस्ट डेंजरस एनिमल. तो भाई जब हमको ये चीज़ मिलेगी तो हमारा मन करेगा चलकर देखते हैं कि विच एनिमल इज मोस्ट डेंजरस ऑन दिस अर्थ. अंदर जाने के बाद पता है क्या मिलता है? नो, देयर इज अ मिरर. अंडरस्टूड? अंजलि अंडरस्टूड? अच्छा खड़े जो क्या समझी? यस सर. क्या समझी? क्या देखिए रामायण हो गया पता नहीं. हाँ हाँ सर समझ गए. सपोज दैट यू स्टैंड बिफोर मिरर. ये मिरर है. यहाँ एंट्री के इस रूम में ये मिरर है. तो मोस्ट डेंजरस एनिमल कौन दिखे?
Yes, yes.
That is there in that view. Why I am giving this reference, you know, because जो perception बना हुआ है that is there. वह सबसे ज़्यादा animals they are very dangerous. वो human being को पाते हैं तो भाई अगर तुम भालू का उदाहरण ले लो, भालू को भी बहुत dangerous बना है. लेकिन in story, Bruno also is a sloth bear. Bruno also is a sloth bear. मैं वो तो कुछ नहीं किया. हाँ बताइए, ह्यूमन बीइंग के याद में खाना पीना सब छोड़ दिए. तो सच काइंड ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल आइडियाज समटाइम्स दे आर नॉट ट्रू. कम टू द पोएम नाउ. दिस इज द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दिस पोएम. मोस्ट ऑफ अस थिंक ऑफ स्नेक एज fearsome symbol of death. हम लोगों में से ज़्यादा लोग ये जानते हैं जो स्नेक होता है लेकिन बड़ा ही भयानक जो है कि सिंबल होता है डेथ. ठीक है, तो डेथ का बहुत ही भयावह सिंबल होता है, भयानक होता है. तो वो जो परसेप्शन बना हुआ है उसी को ये डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. बट द स्नेक इज इन दिस पोएम इटसेल्फ इज अ विक्टिम. और इस पोएम में जो स्नेक है वो खुद विक्टिम है. खुद बेचारा अपना जान बचा करके भाग रहा है. Now look at that poem. The snake trying to scare the pursuing stick. अब इमेज करो